Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best color sheets is probably one of the most underrated laundry essentials, but trust me, once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. These little sheets are designed to absorb loose dyes in your wash, preventing those dreaded color bleeds that can ruin your favorite clothes. They're super easy to use, and they can save you time, money, and a whole lot of laundry day stress. So, let's dive in and find out which color sheets are worth your hard-earned cash. Number 5. Earth Breeze Fresh Scent Laundry Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent jugs? These innovative sheets are the perfect solution. They are designed to make your laundry routine easier and more eco-friendly. Proudly made in the USA, these sheets use high-quality ingredients. They are gentle on your skin and the environment, ensuring a safe and effective clean. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors in both hot and cold water. They leave no harsh chemical residue, providing a fresh and effective clean for up to 60 loads. Simplify your laundry with these pre-measured sheets, perfect for home or travel. They are compatible with all washing machines, eliminating mess and waste. Enjoy the gentle, fresh scent that leaves your clothes smelling clean and crisp. These sheets provide a soft touch and a subtle fragrance after every wash. Replace plastic jugs with these microplastic-free sheets. They are dermatologist-tested, hypoallergenic, and cruelty-free, gentle on skin and the planet. These laundry sheets are free from harsh chemicals. For every order, the company donates detergent to those in need, making a positive impact. What we like? This product tackles tough stains and is gentle on your skin. It's also eco-friendly, making it a great choice for the environment. If you are looking for a laundry solution that is both effective and gentle, you should consider this. What people say. These laundry sheets are a game changer. They work great and are so easy to use. I love that they are eco-friendly. Number 4. Sudstainables Laundry Sheets 200 Loads, Fresh Linen. Good things do come in small packages. These sheets offer powerful cleaning with safe ingredients, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. The packaging and design save space and reduce plastic waste, keeping it out of the ocean. Each box provides 50 or 100 loads of use. The soap dissolves easily in water and works in any standard washing machine. Just add a strip and relax, it's that simple. It's paraben-free, phosphate-free, bleach-free, and dye-free. It's kid-friendly and mom-approved, ensuring a gentle clean. Get powerful cleaning in a compact package. These ultra-powerful sheets work as well as leading detergents. It's also perfect for travel. What we like? This product offers ultra-cleaning strength in a zero-waste package, and is safe for sensitive skin. It's designed to be a compact alternative to traditional detergents. If you like a powerful clean without the harsh chemicals, this is the one for you. What people say. Have used them 7-8x and clothes come out clean and smelling great. Clothes are always clean and it's great to be able to choose a full sheet or half sheet based on the size of our load. The sheets come in a small box which I will put a picture up. I also submitted a video showing that it dissolves quickly. It does have an imprint on half of the sheet where you can tear it. It comes with 200 sheets. If you have a small load, all you need is one sheet. It gives off a nice set of subs. My clothes did come out clean. And one thing about this is that it is small and does not take up a lot of space. I wanted something a little more natural without all the chemicals. It smells very clean. I most definitely will be buying these sheets. Number 3. EARTHWASH Ocean Breeze Laundry Sheets, 32 Loads. Introducing EARTHWASH Laundry Sheets, the perfect solution for your laundry needs. This hypoallergenic and plastic-free detergent strip is ideal for travel and home use. It delivers all the performance of high-grade detergent in a lightweight strip. The formula effectively removes stains and spills without fading the colors of your clothes. This product is completely water-soluble and low-sudsing, ensuring no soap residue is left on your clothes or in your washing machine. It works with all types of washers, including top-load, front-load, and he machines. Say goodbye to bulky jugs and messy powders. This product requires no measuring, simply add one sheet per load. It's lightweight and perfect for travel, camping, and dorm use. This product is gentle on hands and safe for baby clothes. It also has a fragrance-free variant for sensitive skin. This product is spill-free and easy to store, saving space by eliminating the need for heavy detergent bottles. It also helps you save money. What we like. This product provides concentrated cleaning power without leaving any residue, and is incredibly convenient to use. It's perfect for travel or small spaces. If you are looking for a mess-free and easy-to-use detergent, you should consider this. What people say. These laundry sheets are a game changer. They are easy to use and work great. I love that they are eco-friendly and take up less space. Number 2. Zero Trace Color Catchers, 80 Sheets. Are you tired of colors running and ruining your clothes? These color catcher sheets are designed to trap loose dyes and stop color bleeding. It keeps colors bright and whites pristine, giving you peace of mind. This product is safe and effective for all fabrics. Perfect for mixed loads, it prevents unwanted dye transfers and maintains your garment's quality after each wash. You can use it without any worries. Using this product is easy. Just add a sheet to each load. It prevents color transfer with ease and offers a convenient laundry solution. It keeps your garments looking fresh without extra effort. With this product, colors stay vibrant and fabrics stay protected. It locks in loose dyes to keep your favorite pieces looking fresh and new, wash after wash. It's a great way to keep your clothes looking their best. These sheets are compatible with all washing machines, including high-efficiency models. They work on any wash setting, making them a versatile addition to your laundry routine. It's the perfect solution for all your laundry needs. What we like. This product offers ultimate color protection and is safe for all fabrics, making laundry hassle-free. It prevents color bleeding and keeps your clothes looking fresh. If you have a lot of colorful clothes, this is a must-have. What people say. These are great. We love them and you can see the color they collect when you take them out of the washer. The sheets I removed had collected the nasty black, but the color of the quilt was fresh and not faded from the wash. The sheets are soft, so there was no harsh rubbing against the fabric. All the fabric stayed a beautiful bright. And so easy to use, no measuring, just toss in the washer and let them do their job. They do work well. Definitely recommend. Number 1. Rockin Green Activewear Detergent, Unscented. This activewear laundry detergent uses plant-based enzymes to eliminate sweat and odors. It keeps your gym clothes and workout gear fresh. This detergent is specially formulated to clean high-tech fabrics. It helps maintain stretch and breathability, so your activewear stays in top condition. It's safe for sensitive skin and free from SLS, dyes, and artificial fragrances. This keeps the clothes closest to your skin soft and comfortable. One bag lasts up to 90 loads. Just one scoop delivers a deep clean, and an extra scoop boosts odor removal. It works in all washing machines. Made with mineral and plant-based ingredients in a GMP-certified facility. It's never tested on animals. This detergent is designed to care for your clothes and your family. What we like. This product breaks down sweat and odors while protecting performance fabrics, and it's free from harsh additives. It's designed specifically for activewear and sportswear. If you are an athlete or have an active lifestyle, you should consider this. What people say. These laundry sheets are a game changer. They are easy to use and work great. I have used them on several loads of laundry and they have worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.